أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين، سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر، روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء. أما بعد، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربي زدني علما. صدق الله العلي العظيم. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Those who have joined.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Ziyarat Maqbool, Sister Fawzia, inshallah. Next safar, inshallah, we will meet in Karbala, inshallah.
إن شاء الله. Your زيارة مقبول إن شاء الله.
Right, so we were lesson number 7 itself, and we were on the exercises. We were on exercise 8. However, I'm going to go slightly back just to get yourself recap what we have covered. So I'm going to start from exercise 5 just to give you some refreshment and to get yourself back into shape. It says fill in the blank in each of the following sentences with the correct form of the verb. So you have two verbs. You have the masculine form and the feminine form, and you need to put the correct verb according to the sentence. The clue for knowing which verb you will have to use is to check the pronouns in the sentence. Like kunna, when kunna has been used, you know it's feminine. And ikhwan,
page number?
Page number 68.
Okay, thank you.
68. And when you're using the word, for example, ya banati, my sisters, you will know that this is feminine. Bintun is one daughter, banati is plural feminine. So you need to use, so you're asking a group of my sisters who are a group, so it has to be you all females there. So I'm going to ask Sister Farwa Jafri. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, Sister Farwa.
Wa alaikum assalam. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Bismillah, come and start this. So you have to use either qara'tum or qara'tunna. Start from question number 1. Bismillah.
Sure. I'm just trying. Okay. قرأتن القرآن اليوم يا أبنائي. We're going to use the feminine form because it's two daughters, you said?
Yeah, Ibnun is son, Abna'i is my sons.
Oh, it's Ibnai's sons. Oh, I thought you meant, I heard daughters. Sorry.
Yeah, Banati is daughters. Banati's daughters.
Banati's, let me write this down. Sorry. So because it's male, two sons, then we'll use قرأتم.
Correct.
قرأتم القرآن اليوم يا أبنائي. And then the next one is إخواني, which means my brothers.
Correct.
So again, the male form, which is رجعتم. So متى رجعتم من مكة يا إخواني. Where are you going from Mecca, oh brothers?
No, mata means when.
When? Okay, when. When are you leaving from Mecca, oh brothers?
Past tense. Raja is past tense.
Return.
Return.
Okay. Thank you. And the last and the third one is because it's wujuh hakunna, which is a feminine form. So we'll then use ghassaltunna. So ghassaltunna wujuhakunna bis sabun. Did you wash your face with soap?
Correct.
So and the fourth one, Banati is my daughters. Correct. So again, we'll use the feminine form, which is Sami'tunna. So min ayyi
Idha'atin, radio station, broadcast.
Idha'atin. What does that mean, sorry?
So from which broadcast or radio station?
Okay. Broadcast.
You hear the news. Sami'tum, you all heard the news. Khabar, akhbar is the plural, which means news.
News. Got it. All right, thank you. And then the next one is again ikhwani, which is my brothers. So we'll use the first one, which is dakhaltum min ayyi babin dakhaltumul masjida ya ikhwani.
Excellent.
From which door of the masjid did you enter, O brothers? And then the next one has banati, which is my daughters. So we'll use the feminine form, which is fatahtunna. لما فتحتن نوافذ يا بناتي. Nawafidh is, sorry, I forget.
Nafidatun is singular, nawafid is plural, which means windows.
Window. And how would we open?
Okay, why did you open the windows,
Why
oh
did you?
daughters?
Why did you? Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can I ask for the next exercise, Sister Farida?
Sheikh, can I excuse myself and
No
listen
problem.
only
Yeah,
today?
that's fine, no problem.
Yeah?
Let's
I'm
bring
not that
Sister,
much ready today.
No, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Sister Shabnam Walji, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Can you kindly do exercise 6, please? And then I'll bring Sister Fawzia.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Rahmatullah.
Okay. Rewrite the following sentences by using kana in the examples. So the first one is the actual example, isn't it? Al-mudarrisu fil fasli.
So al-mudarrisu fil fasli. Let's translate that first so that we understand what we're doing.
Okay, al-mudarrisu fil fasli. So the teacher is in the classroom.
Correct. The teacher is in the classroom, and when kana comes with a nominal a nominal sentence, what happens then?
I've forgotten. I'm sorry.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
كان المدرس في الفصل قبل 5. So
let me show you again.
Oh gosh.
So this is what it teaches you on page number 74. So on 74 it shows you Ghana, it is used in a nominal sentence. For example, Bilalun fil fasli. Bilal is in the classroom. And if you want to say Bilal was in the classroom, so what happens then? Kana Bilalun fil fasli. Bilal was in the classroom. So here now, Bilal is no longer, in a nominal sentence. What are the two parts in a nominal sentence called? Subject and predicate. Yeah. Mubtada and khabar. So here now, Bilalun is mubtada, fil fasli is jar and majroor, khabar. Now when kana comes, Bilal now is no longer called mubtada, but is called the ism of kana. And fil fasli does not change. Whenever a preposition comes as the khabar of kana, it does not change. It remains the same. So over here now, al-mudarrisu fil maktabati, the teacher is in the classroom. Kana al-mudarrisu fil maktabati, the teacher was in the classroom.
So the kana changes everything into the past tense.
Yes, that's right. And then if it's a female, for example, Zainabu fil
matbakh. Zainab is in the kitchen.
Correct. So when you say exactly, so kanat, so kana itself, it has 14 forms of the past tense. Kana, kana, kanu, kanat, kanata, kunna, kunta, kuntuma, kuntum, kunti, kuntuma, kuntunna, kuntu, and kunna. And now kanat Zainabu fil matbakhi. Zainab was
in the kitchen.
Exactly. And the other point you need to understand is, let me just find it where it is. There's one more point I need to show you. I just need to find it where it was. Okay, that's fine. I'll mention the other point when we do the revision of this book about kana itself. Okay, let's go back to the exercises. So go ahead.
Okay, so the next example is at-tullabu fil mal'ab. The student is in the mal'ab restaurant.
Playground or stadium. Yeah, so the student is plural. The students are in the playground.
Students are in the playground.
Yep.
كان الطلاب في الملعب قبل نصف ساعة. So the students were in the playground before half an hour.
Yep.
Okay. أمي في المطبخ. The mother is in the kitchen. كانت أمي في المطبخ قبل قليل. Mother was in the kitchen a little while ago.
Correct.
المدير في غرفتي. The mudir, the merchant, no, sorry, the principal, I beg your pardon. The principal is in the room. كان المدير قبل كان المدير في الغرفة قبل ساعة. The principal was in the room an hour ago.
Right.
الوزير في لندن. The minister. Minister, yes?
Yep.
The wazir was in London. كان الوزير.
I'm going to go and eat it now. I'm in the middle of a session, otherwise I'd come and feed you myself. Just, it's not.
Yep.
Okay. كان الوزير في لندن قبل أسبوع. The wazir, the minister, was in London a week ago.
Correct.
أخي في مكة. My brother is in Makkah. كان أخي في مكة قبل 4 أيام.
Excellent.
My brother was in Makkah before 4 days.
Excellent.
Okay. الأطباء.
الأطباء.
الأطباء. So this is plural of doctor, yes?
Yep.
الأطباء في المستشفى. The doctors are in the hospital.
Right.
So now, because this is plural masculine, will kana change to reflect that?
No. So what happens when it's as long as kana is coming in the beginning of the sentence, so kana can come in the singular form, even though the doer of the action or the noun itself or plural itself.
Okay, so that will remain as kana. Okay, so kana الأطباء في المستشفى.
Yeah, كان الأطباء, like look at this second example, ba. الطلاب في الملعب. So كان الطلاب في الملعب. So here you can see kana coming in the past tense. الطلاب is plural. So kana can remain singular as long as the ism of kana comes after it.
Okay. Does that tell you that in the notes? Because that's unless you write it down and sort of memorize it, that's, I guess.
So in the notes it hasn't got this.
Okay.
It's by practice or by when you do the rulings, you will know the rulings itself.
Okay. So it's كان الأطباء في المستشفى قبل ثلث ساعة. Before 3/4.
2/4. So thulth is 1/3. So meaning
1/3.
minutes ago, yeah.
Oh, 1/3 of an hour, so 20 minutes. Okay. All right. الطالبات في المكتبة. So the female students are in the library.
Right.
كانت الطالبات في المكتبة قبل قليل. So they were in the library. The female students were in the library a little while ago.
Excellent. I'm going to ask Sister Fawzia, can you kindly repeat this exercise just for everyone to be master this exercise, because it's a quite important exercise, because kana comes quite often. Bismillah. And then I would ask you for the next exercise. Thank you, Sister Shabna.
Nice. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. المدرس في الفصل كان المدرس في الفصل قبل خمس دقائق. خمس دقائق.
Yeah, خميسي is Thursday.
I know. 5 دقائق. The teacher was in the classroom. The teacher was in the classroom 5 minutes ago.
Correct.
الطلاب في الملعب. Students are in the playground.
Yep.
كان الطلاب في الملعب قبل نصف ساعة. Students were in the playground half an hour ago. أمي في المطبخ. Mom is in the kitchen. كانت أمي في المطبخ قبل قليل. Mom was in the kitchen a few minutes ago.
Right.
A while ago. Yeah.
Yep, that's all right. That's perfect.
المدير في الغرفة. Principal is in the room. كان المدير في قبل الساعة. Principal كان المدير في الغرفة قبل ساعة. Principal was in the classroom, in the room an hour ago. الوزير في لندن. Prime Minister is in London. London.
Minister.
Minister is in London. كان الوزير في لندن قبل أسبوع. Minister was in London a week ago.
Correct.
أخي في مكة. Brother is in Mecca. كان أخي في مكة قبل 4 أيام. Brother was in Mecca 4 days ago. أتباع في المستشفى.
على الأطباء في المستشفى.
الأطباء في المستشفى. Students? No.
الأطباء doctors.
Doctors are in hospital. كان الأطباء في المستشفى قبل ثلث ساعة. Doctors were in the hospital 20 minutes ago.
Right.
الطالبات في المكتبة. Students are in the library. Sorry.
Yep.
كانت الطالبات في المكتبة قبل قليل. Students were in the library a while ago.
Yep.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Can you do also the exercise, the examples, what it's trying to say here? So this is more or less teaching you how to read alif lam when it comes in a sentence. Bismillah.
Okay. أقررتم هذا الكتاب. أقررتم القرآن. أقررتم القرآن.
It's translated as well. So أقرأتم هذا الكتاب. أقرأتم. So أقرأ.
Did you read the book?
Did you read this book? Yeah.
Did you read the Quran?
Let me explain to you. So
yeah.
Here, the word أقرأتم, then you have hada. So when hada comes, the dal is easily able to join to the lam. So you can read it correctly as normal. قرأت هذا الكتاب. But when you have قرأتم and then you have alif lam, and the lam is silent and the alif is quite silent as well. So this is the qa'u sakin. And where there's 2 sakins, mim sakin and lam sakin as well. So the mim sakin on qura'tum changes to a dhamma to be able to continue reading itself. So you will read it aqra'tumul qur'ana. So you will give the mim a dhamma.
Oh, okay.
That's what it's trying to teach you. Go ahead now.
Okay. أريتم حامدا. أريتم المدرسة.
مدرسة.
أريتم المدرسة. ألكم هذا البيت. لكم البيت. لكم البيت. خرجت.
Just translate them as well, sister.
Sorry?
Can you translate alakum hadha al-baytu? Is this?
Your house?
Yep.
So it's the same meaning. Is this your house?
Yeah.
خرجتم آمنة. خرجت آمنة.
So kharajat
Amina-
Amina went,
Amina
exited.
exited, yes.
And then-
خرجت البنت.
Yeah, so when
Kharajat-
here now, here,
Mm.
because it's ta sakin, and now the previous letter is a fatha, now the ta sakin changes to a kasra. So if it's tum, it changes to mu. So if there's if there's a previous letter is, if there's a sakin and the previous letter is a fatha, normally the letter after would get a kasra. Kharajatil bintu. So can you say
Okay.
kharajatil
خرجت البنت.
bintu?
Okay.
Daughter exited.
Exited. من هذا الولد؟ من الولد؟
Exactly.
Right.
Manil waladu. Who is this? Boy.
Boy.
So it's showing
Do
you
you-
here, whenever, so the ruling, two rulings. When there is a meme sakin and there's alif lam, then the meme sakin will change it to dhamma. Mul kitaba. And if there's a sakin and alif lam, it changes to a kasra. So akal tu.
أكلتم.
So this is not, the tum is coming with a sakin. So you become akaltumul mauza. Akaltumul mauza. Did you eat?
Eat banana.
No, akaltumul. You ate the banana.
You ate the banana. Okay.
Number, go ahead,
So,
do 3
جلستم.
and 4.
Yeah. جلستم في الفصل.
Translation.
Are you sitting in the classroom?
No, past tense. You sat in the classroom.
Sat in the, okay, that's the
Yeah.
past. Okay.
Number 3.
دخلتم المسجد.
Excellent.
So did you enter the mosque?
Is a sentence, not a question. Dakhaltumul
Masjid.
masjida. You entered the mosque.
Yeah, okay.
And number 4.
فهمتم الدرس. Did you understand the lesson?
Fahimtumud darsa. You understood the lesson. There's no alif in the beginning or a hamz or a hal in the beginning. It's just like a sentence. Fahimtumud darsa. You understood the lesson.
Okay.
Brilliant. Thank you. Let me ask Sister Farida, would you be able to do the next 3 or 4? They're quite straightforward.
Sheikh, I'm not ready.
No, go ahead. It's easy. It's not that difficult. I'll help you.
Yeah.
So number
I'm a
5.
little bit lost also because I wasn't with the book. Like I
Yeah,
was
no,
looking.
okay, that's fair enough. Good up front. Okay, Sister Fauzi, Farwa, can you come on the mic?
Sure.
Number
you want me
5.
to do-
Number 5.
Okay.
Fahimtum.
Fahimtumul darsal fiqh. You understood the lesson of fiqh.
Correct.
And then the next one is a bit confusing for me because it's maza.
No. Number 6, across it. Sami'tum.
Okay. Sami'tum. Okay. Sami'tumul adhana. You heard the azan.
Yep, you heard the adhan.
Okay.
So this one here, you read it. There's no changes in this as well. In number 7.
Okay. So it's the same. Maza akaltum.
Mada akaltum. What did you?
Eat.
Correct.
And then alakum. And then we'll put the amount of it, so it will become.
No. Alakum. There's no sakin after the meme.
Okay, got it. No sakin. Okay.
So alakum remains alakum.
Okay, got it. Alakum hadhihi sayyarati. Is this your car?
Hadi sayyaratu.
Sayyaratu.
Correct.
Alakum hadhihi sayyaratu. Alakumul kutubu. Is this your book?
Yep.
Man hadha rajul. Who is this man?
Correct.
And then manal, and there's a so because there's a sakin, so we'll put a kasra under noon.
Exactly.
Is that right? Manil fata. Who is
Manil
this
fata.
young man?
Who is this young man or this youth? Correct.
And then katabat talibatu darsa, and there's no sakin that I can see.
There is a sakin on the ta. And
But-
so You will read the ta with a
Okay.
kasra. Katabat talibatu.
But there is also a fatha on top of it, but we'll also consider it to be sakin.
Which one?
The
because
ta.
talib. So the talib, the ta has a alif. Now it has to join onto a letter before, which is mutaharrik. So you will change the katabat, which is she wrote, and the ta on the ta sakin will change to a kasra. Katabat talibatu.
Okay. Katabat talibatu darsa.
Yep.
Did the student write the lesson? No, the student wrote the lesson. She wrote the lesson. How do you translate?
There should be a question in the beginning. Should be katabat talibatu ad-darsa. So there's no they put a question mark, but there's no alaq.
Yes.
There should be alif with the hamza on top to make it into a question form. So there's
Okay. And without that, it wouldn't be just a statement that the student wrote a lesson.
Yeah, the female student wrote the lesson. It'll be just a statement.
Okay. Aina al-mudiratu kharajta al-an. Where is the teacher? She left right now.
Excellent.
Anything needed here, or it's fine?
That's perfect. Yeah, that's right. Kharaj. So the dot here, Aina al-mudiratu, she exited now. So this kharajat, because it's al-ana, the lam will join to the ta. So it'll be kharajatil ana. She exited.
Okay. Kharajatil ana. Okay. Thank you.
Right, perfect. I'm going to ask Sister Shabnam to do the next exercise 8, and then that'll be enough for today because half of the class is absent today. So Sister Shabnam, in this exercise, is just adding the pronoun who to the verb itself, and just give me practice on that itself. Bismillah.
Okay, so daraba and who makes darabahu.
Correct.
Darabat and who makes darabathu.
Translation, please.
The verb daraba.
Daraba hit. He hit.
Oh, of course, strikes. Yes, daraba. So the first one, daraba who, he struck. He struck him.
Yep.
Yeah. Darabat who, she struck him. Darabta and who makes darabtahu. Means you. Darabta is masculine, so
you hit him.
You hit him. Okay, but it's masculine you. Yes, correct. Yes. And then darabti is female you singular. Darabti plus who, darabtihi. So you struck
him.
So
but it's a female case, because of the darabti having a kasra, the pronoun who changes to he here now for the suitability of the harakat.
Darabtihi. Okay, but it's still him that you're hitting. She is hitting him.
Yeah, you. Okay. Darabti is you, one female.
Yes, sorry, I meant female you.
Yep, correct.
Okay.
Next page.
Oh, okay. Darabtu and who. So darabtu is I hit. I hit him. Darabtuhu. I hit him. Darabtum and who. So you all. Darabtum plus and plus who. Gosh, this is getting complicated. Darabtu.
In this one, when you have darabtum, you will have to add a wow to separate darabtum with who. So you would say darabtumu who. You hit him.
You hit him. Okay. You all hit him. Because it's a collective. Okay. Right. That's quite, I think that would be quite a lot of practice there, wouldn't it, Sheikh, to actually grasp that?
Yeah. So it's just basically a wow. So whenever you see darabtum and you see a wow there, you will know that wow has been trying to separate the tum from who itself. So these 1 to 4 examples, can you just read them and translate? And that will be today's lesson. That'll be everything.
Okay. أين الطالب الجديد? Where is the new student? أرأيتموه? Did you see him? أين الحية? Is that snake? حية.
Correct.
Yeah. Where is the snake? أقتلتموها? Did you kill it?
Correct.
هذا درس سهل. This lesson is easy. أفهمتموه? Did you understand it? أين المدرسون? Where is the مدرسون, the teacher?
Teacher, correct.
أرأيتموهم? Did you see? This is sorry, plural. So it's, did you see them?
Excellent. Jazakallah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajam. So inshallah, next session, what I'll do, we'll finish off exercise 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14. Tomorrow, 5 o'clock. Now, is everyone available tomorrow by any chance?
Inshallah.
Because I want to finish off this lesson as soon as possible. So inshallah, I'll do a session tomorrow, 5 o'clock, so that we can finish it before in time, inshallah. Is that okay
So
with everyone?
5
Inshallah.
o'clock would be same time here.
Yeah, 5 o'clock, inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay, Jazakallah, sister. If the
Thank
master,
you.
inshallah, I will send the recording shortly.
Thank you so much.
Allah.
Chill, Faraj.